Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just finished my makeup. Let me show y'all. Oh, you're looking nice. You're looking smooth. So today I'm going out to eat with my friend. We're gonna eat some seafood. It's my first time, so I'm very excited to taste it, and I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. Okay guys, so right now I'm in the car. I'm going to Brussels, and yeah, I'll see you guys at the restaurant. Hi guys, I just arrived. Tell me why, because I'm gonna kill my friend, and when she sees this, she'll already be dead anyways. But tell me why I arrived. I'm already like, let's say 10 minutes late. I call her, she doesn't pick up. I call her a second time, she doesn't pick up. I look at her location. Why does it say 40 minutes ago that she was somewhere far away from where she's supposed to be? I'm gonna fight her. I'm going to fight her. Anyways, I'm excited for the food, so let's go. Look at this girl being late. Dites-moi si c'est là, c'est quoi ton excuse? Saint-Esprit en Oh. Merci.
Bon appétit.
Merci.
On met tous les déchets dans le fond.
Ça va, non, aucun souci.
On ne regarde pas trop. Il y a des patates, il y a des saucisses, il y a des crémettes.
C'est ma première fois.
It's not my first time, but it feels as a first time.
I'm not gonna imagine. Okay. Avec la nourriture, c'était trop bon. Mademoiselle, elle est encore en train de manger. Et moi, c'est trop pour moi. Même les boissons, c'est trop. We just finished eating and we're gonna go do some bowling. Cette fille-là, je sais pas comment elle va faire avec ses talons.
Crocodile a souffert.
On est en train de marcher vers le parking. On va prendre la voiture. Ah, je croyais qu'il était vers pour
nous. Parking.
Ouais. Donc on est mais là c'est trop tard.
Ah, il fait froid, ma Lily.
Go, Kaya, slow. C'est donc Merci. Une femme avec du pouvoir. Le pouvoir de la monnaie.
Bon, mes bien-aimés. Là, on est en chemin pour le bowling. On est dans le parking à Monet, oui. Et il y a des vraies conductrices. C'est une vraie conductrice. Ouais.
We're going to the bowling. We're gonna do some bowling. So yeah, it will be fun.
Follow us along.
See you there.
Bye.
So now we're walking to the bowling. It's just about there. Y'all can see it though. Hey, c'est plein, hein? Ik ben geen zin meer om te gaan. So this is the outside. C'est mooi, hein?
Parfois, c'est beau, hein?
Parfois.
Alors, si tu regardes là-bas, c'est très beau. Après, tu vois une cheminée qui sort de la fumée, on ne sait pas pourquoi. Et puis, tu regardes ce bâtiment, c'est un bâtiment tout rouge, on ne sait pas pourquoi. Je ne sais pas ce qui se passe là-bas, mais il n'y a plus de vue. Il n'y a plus de vue, il y a juste un bâtiment.
Wow, cheater. Wow. Parce qu'il y a 2 bis. Sans effet. I don't know what's going on because usually I'm good at bowling.
les gars, je suis vraiment nulle.
On est tous les deux nuls.
C'est une dinguerie.
Toutes les deux. Parfois, elle oublie qu'il est dans un espace public.
Il m'a trouvé. Personne n'a regardé.
Anyway. À 69, 66, ouais! J'ai gagné!
Elle a touché, elle a mis quelque chose dans la pluie.
How does it feel to be the loser?
I'm used to it. Om eerlijk te zijn, bij bowlen ik kan niet bowlen. Ik kan echt niet bowlen. Ik heb geprobeerd, ik heb het zelfs met een kinderspeelgoedje gedaan. Hier zo.
It was a nice game. On a kiffé. La perdante,
Je vais pleurer à la maison.
elle va pleurer et moi je vais fêter. So now my friend is buying some drugs. We're in the drugstore. Ah merci oui. Au revoir. Bye. Oh girl. En plus c'est mon téléphone. Wow.
Il a survécu.
This was the end of the night. C'est trop bien. On a bien profité. Maintenant je vais la déposer à la maison. Flemme.
C'est trop gentil, c'est trop mignon, c'est trop love to love, c'est trop.
Bref, je vous vois demain. Au revoir. Bye.
Good morning, guys. This morning I had a school meeting.
Het is op mijn hoogste zorgen nu zijn vooral zo de thesis.
Oh, echt hè?
Ja.
So yeah, we were just discussing our group work, but at the same time talking about stress factors of this semester. And everyone who has their bachelor's or even master degrees or went to uni knows the struggles of the freaking thesis. Let me know in the comments what kind of tips you guys have for us to survive this period in time.
Heel vroeg eigenlijk om... Say hello to my vlog.
What's up? Yeah, the most recent video you did.
Hi guys. The whole day I'm gonna be honest, I didn't do nothing. Like I was not progressive. I had things lined up on my to-do list, but I didn't do anything but sleep and eat. So today I'm gonna go to my church barbecue, so I'm gonna just take you guys along with me. But I'm already late, like 2 hours late, just because of the fact that I was so tired. I was even the whole time debating should I go or not, but I eventually decided to go because I need to get out of the house. So yeah, let's go.
Moi je suis pas dedans. Non, il faut pas mettre dedans. Yo.
La fille doit la bagarre avec
Yeah, ma kid, ça y est.
J'ai rien à dire.
Mais dites plus que coucou et bonjour à chaque fois.
So after the church barbecue, I arrived at my brother's place. I just arrived on time because the delivery guy just came with the food. And we're just gonna spend some time together with my parents.
Next stop, my brother's place. I just came right in time, so we're gonna eat some KFC. I'm a little big back, but that's fine. Bonsoir.
Non, mais viens voir, un appareil c'est un bloc, là, le même caméra et ça.
This is a video my brother was watching of the public transport in Senegal, and I was just feeling so disappointed about Congo because it's been so many years and we still are nowhere near the same public transports.
Il a 1 million de vues. Vous avez pris les tenders? Vous n'avez pas commandé les hot wings?
On a les coltons, on a les diamants, on a tout. Mais
So guys, I'm going home now. I'm done. We ate some nice food, KFC. We just talked, watched some vlogs like y'all saw. Now I'm going home and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Hi. Tap tap. I actually don't need my microphone in my car, but I just wanted to test it out. So I hope it works. Good morning, everyone. I didn't just woke up. I ate breakfast and let me turn off my notifications. I ate breakfast, like showered, I did everything, worked on my thesis. And yeah, right now I'm going car wash. I just want to talk to you guys. I feel like I'm at an age where I'm not trying to sound sad, like it's just facts, and everyone is just at an age where everyone's just doing their own thing. Like it's not the same as back in like my bachelor years, or like even high school, where everyone had time to like link up daily, like do random stuff. So yeah, I was just thinking about that because I actually had to meet someone today. No shade to them, but it's kind of like, even though your schedule is so tight, you still try to like make time for people. And then when you cancel last minute, it's not the same as like back in the day where it's like, oh, whatever, I'll see you the next day, or I'll see you next week. It's like, I'll see you in a couple of months type of thing. Well, a couple of months, couple of weeks, couple of months, depending on who it is. It's not the same. And then I hold it very, I don't know how to say it in English, but I hold it very tight to my heart, like when I have a rendezvous with someone, because it's not like I'm gonna see you tomorrow, the next day, or the next week. I will see you in a later time when we both have time again, because we're both very busy. Yeah, I was just kind of feeling like sad, a little bit upset. Not that they cancelled, well, yeah, because they cancelled, but it's not like I'm angry at them, but it's just like annoying, because it's like, oh, we keep like resetting the dates to like me, and it's like, it's just annoying. Yeah, I just want to share that with you guys. I don't know if you guys feel the same, or maybe you don't. It's whatever. Just, yeah, let me know in the comments. Right now, we're going to car wash, and that's gonna be my day, because, yeah, someone canceled their plans. I'm not petty, you guys. I'm just joking. So yeah, let's go. Hey guys, I'm at the car wash. No, my microphone is still connected. Okay, it should not be connected anymore. It's literally like so many cars, crazy. I've never witnessed this. I think next time I should go during the week, because it's so too much cars, like it's too much. Anyways, I'll see you guys when I'm actually inside of the car wash. Might take a few minutes, a couple of minutes. I'm scared. Guys, I've always been scared of car washes since I was a child. This is why I always ask someone to come with me, because it's scary. Like, imagine you're in the car wash and you forget to like close your windows, and it just comes all into your car. Like, that would be so crazy. I'll see you guys when I'm cleaning out the car. Hi guys, I'm back home. I think I'm gonna end my vlog here because I don't really have something special to do today. It's just gonna be studying, cleaning my room, stuff like that. Just like boring stuff, honestly. But I was wondering, like, what type of videos would you guys like to see in the future? Just let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to watch my recent video that's just gonna be right here. So yeah, have a nice Sunday and God bless you. See you next time. Bye.